Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everybody, in this situation, I am Risma Fadila Putri from Pharmacy Study Program B. Well, here I will give a video of an English segment. Gaskan bro.
Hai Putri,
Halo Ayu,
it's been a long time since we meet. How are you?
I am good. What about you?
My news is also good.
Nice to meet you Ayu.
By the way, are you busy today?
No, I am relaxed.
Can I ask your help?
With pleasure. What help?
I have an assignment from campus to interview people who have experience in organization. Are you willing to be my source?
Yes, willing. So where shall we start?
Let's start with our introduction first. Can I know your educational history?
Of course you can. First, Sido Kumpul Kindergarten from the year 2006 to the year 2008. Second, Sido Kumpul Public Elementary School from the year 2008 to the year 2014. Third, Madrasah Sanawiyah Al-Falah Bangilan from the year 2014 to the year 2017. Fourth, Madrasah Aliyah Al-Falah Bangilan from the year 2017 to the year 2020.
When did you want to join the organization?
My heart was moved to join organization starting from the Sanawiyah Madrasah.
What organization is that? Can I know your educational history?
Of course you can. First, Sido Kumpul Kindergarten from the year 2006 to the year 2008. Second, Sido Kumpul Public Elementary School from the year 2008 to the year 2014. Third, Madrasah Sanawiyah Al-Falah Bangilan from the year 2014 to the year 2017. Fourth, Madrasah Aliyah Al-Falah Bangilan from the year 2017 to the year 2020.
When did you want to join the organization?
My heart was moved to join organization starting from the Sanawiyah Madrasah.
What organization is that? How long did you take part in the organization?
I started to join the organization starting from grade 2 Madrasah Sanawiyah and the handover of my position at class 3 Madrasah. If you count it, there is about 1 year. Intra-school student organization, and to be precise, I was positioned at that time as the noble character section. The text is quite easy. The concept is that when the school ceremony is finished, each member must accompany prayer in each class, and after praying, we withdraw social assistance money and we collect the money if there are parents of our friends who are affected by a disaster. We cannot help by taking money the social assistance.
Then did you also follow the organization at Madrasah Aliyah level?
Yes, of course. It started from participating in the organization when the Madrasah Sanawiyah. I wanted to join many organizations.
Was your position at Aliyah the same as your position at Sanawiyah?
No. In Madrasah Aliyah the time, for the selection of member of the intra-school student organization, board is directly elected by the teacher. But here, the name of the organization is different, which initially the intra-school student organization was changed to the IPPNU Commissariat Committee. IPNU itself is a forum for administrator consisting of boys, while IPPNU is a forum for administrator whose members are girls. For the matter of my position in this organization is different from the previous organization. I am positioned here as an education section in charge of training other students to prepare to become officer of the Monday flag ceremony. But after some time, about half of my position in the education section, I was transferred to become a member of the Turpwork board who was in the Scout secretary position and was precisely in charge of absenteeism for Scout participants and also withdrew the cash used to meet and scouting needs at school.
Did the IPNU IPPNU Commissariat side by side with the Ambalan Work Council in the success of the Planet program?
Of course, side by side. Right, the Shelving Work Council also includes the auspice of the IPNU IPPNU Commissariat itself. For the problem of the success of the work program, each section has its own program, but it does not have to be run by the section. We are here in an organization. We are not alone here. We gather with the crowd. Everyone, of course, has different concept, different opinion, but most importantly, our goals are the same, namely being an example for other students, increasing experience, increasing knowledge, and one main goal, namely the success of a school that it has made us from not knowing, from not understanding to understanding.
Can the benefit be applied in your daily life?
For example, we can learn to be more concerned with public interest than personal interest and also as human beings. Of course, we have different though from the emergence of this though. We can also respect the opinion of others.
Do teachers also play a role in the organization?
The teacher only direct it so that we was organizer of the organization not only talk a lot, but also have a lot of action.
Then, what did you get from attending this school level organization?
Of course, there are many. For example, here we are trained to be disciplined, mentally trained because entering an organization here is not easy. We have to follow basic education from stake to stake. So, many videos this time and thank you for watching. See you again and love you more. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What organization is that?
One of them is unit the Wirakartika Work Unit Organization.
Can you explain a little about what is a work unit of Wirakartika?
Wirakartika Work Unit is an organizational forum that is set by the Indonesian National Army and the material though is scouting and here we can channel one's talent.
If I may know, where did you study and what study program?
I studied at the Nahdlatul Ulama Sunan Giri Bojonegoro University and I took a pharmacy study program.
It turns out that you also get a lot of knowledge through organizing. So, how did you feel when you left your position as a volunteer work council? Very noble. And what do you know about the pharmacy study program?
Pharmacy study program is a department that studies all things about medicine, starting from the chemical in it, the drug making process, the drug packaging process, the function and use of drugs.
So, during this pandemic, how is the lecture system at your university?
I feel happy there is also sadness. The joy is because I can focus more on my school because at that time I was in third grade. Sadly, I haven't been able to make many changes in school but my tenor has already done.
Apart from organizing in the school environment, do you also participate in organization outside of school?
Yes, there are several organizations outside that I join.
Why was there a change of position at that time?
As long as I was at that time the member of the other boarding house were still not unit or how I also did not understand it. But according to my teacher, when I was transferred to a position because he thought I was more qualified to be a member of the shelving work council and at least I can complete the shortcoming of the other member. At the time of the announcement, I was not sure, but what also should I do to be ready, not ready to be ready in any case.
What are your hopes for this pandemic?
Hopefully, this pandemic period will end soon and conditions will return to the old ones so that learning can be carried out face to face.
Amin. I hope Allah wills. Thank you for helping me to complete this interview segment.
You are welcome, Ayu.
What message and impression would you like to convey to friends who are still following the organization?
Many out there who join the organization aim to increase experience. Add to the knowledge, we will definitely get everything. But when I first entered the organization, I had to aim to love the organization so the complaint in the organization we consider it fun. I think the organization is like a coconut tree, which means one organization with a million benefits.
I hope the knowledge is useful put. By the way, now that you have graduated, what are you busy with now?
I continued to study. In my opinion, it is less flexible and adequate because not everyone understands the material, especially if it is done online. But on the other hand, we must comply with government regulation and do not forget to implement health protocol, namely 3M, wearing masks, maintaining distance, and washing hands. And also not everyone listen to and understand the material being taught because sometimes we join lectures. There are also those who are left with other activities, especially if there are signal connection problem or quad constraints.